Well, good morning, guys. My name is Phyllis Nash, and I'm glad to be here before you this morning in the Diamond Factory, where like minded people come together to get their day started off to a positive light so we can go out there and share what we do with others and make an impact on their lives. Well, I am so glad we are in this industry, and I've always talked about the duplication in the system, and that is how the industry blows up. And so last night, done by our CEO, laying out the new plan, the one of the new ways of introducing and bringing people more knowledgeable, making them more knowledgeable about our business and our opportunity was laid out. That call is going to be repeated today. I'm sure Dr. Roz will get out if it's not already out with that time. And I encourage you guys to call every distributor you have, old, new, hasn't been active in a minute, to get them on the line and see what's in place. We have something that is duplicatable for everybody. When I say everybody, I do mean everybody. Something that's simple, something that can get that elevator pitch that you talk about. People talk about have your elevator pitch because as you're going up that elevator, you only have a certain amount of time to get somebody's information or interest them in what you're doing. Well, you got that. You got that for somebody that's shy. You got that for somebody that's never been in MLM before. You've got that for your seniors, all the way down to your millennials and Gen Zs and Gen Xs. You've got that for absolutely everybody. Something that's affordable to everybody. Something that no one that wants to be healthy, and I don't know anybody that doesn't, but anybody that wants to be healthy, we are laying out something that absolutely everybody can take their health to the next level. And not only them, because who wants to be here alone? They want to take care of their children. They want to take their spouse, their mothers, their dads. So something that everybody can get introduced on what's going on at Akana in a very affordable, simple way. And then that opens the door to interest. That opens the door to whatever else that we have here at Akana to offer. Collaboration is always good. I always talk about collaborating, and that's what's been going on. I call Doris, Margaret Dorsey, the little lobbyist, because she had a simple plan in her mind, and she kept going at it and going at it all the way, talking about low-hanging fruit. What is your blood type? Do you know your blood type? The blood type testing, something that people could get started with. She started this probably before, but she really started talking about it and did a little a training on it in our conference in April at our anniversary. And she's been nonstop. She's a woman with a lot of time. When she came on board, she had a lot of experience in MLM, but she also had a lot of other things that she was enjoying in her life. And she had to figure out a way where she could incorporate her business in her life and make it simple, make it duplicatable, and make it happen. And she started talking about this. And again, when you can get like minds together and they start collaborating, and then people that are bringing new introduce have that same mindset, then you gotta listen. You gotta listen. And so that's what Melissa is always gonna be good at. She's gonna always marinate on it. Like they said last night, it might take a while, but she's marinating this going, and she's calculating, she's filing it, she's keeping all the information. And guys, what all of that information is about to be presented to us tonight. We got a sneak peek yesterday twice, but I think there's going to be some finalization on it today. So again, I encourage you. Let's have Christmas in July. That's what Black Friday in July. I think what's going to happen is that you will be armed to be able to go out, do something simple. And as soon as you can help that new distributor or that new customer get results, that's when they're going to come back. What you want to do, this is an easy way to attract more distributors, and it's an easy way for them to put money in their pockets that first 30 days. Guys, I don't care what and how much the money is. When you let them know that the business that they decided to get involved in that really works by them getting a check, then they know that, hey, I can make this happen. I can work with that. They got a system. So I can't reiterate enough how everybody, absolutely everybody, needs to tell as many people as you can to get on the call tonight. And Dr. Roz, well, you can unmute. I'm going to ask you something. I probably know the answer already. But have you sent out the time? Do you know? I know it's going to be today. So, guys, if the email has not arrived yet, then I know the time will be sent out today. Just keep your eyes on the email and know that this is a call that you absolutely don't want to miss. And if you have teammates, you just don't want them to miss it either. So, guys, it's not a long call this morning, but this is an informational call. I'm excited. I'm excited about what we can do. I'm excited because I said to you guys on the phone, I'm going out and building a brand new team in addition to the team I already have. But now it's time to open up, and everybody should talk about and think about bringing new people on, because new people, new blood is the lifeblood of the whole business. And what that new blood does is inspires the existing blood. It gets the excitement going. I know everybody that was on the calls, 2 calls yesterday, were very, very excited. So again, I encourage you. And now I'm just not telling you to go out there and come on back and introduce and bring new people on. But what I'm saying is you're going to even have a way to make it even easier for you. So with that being said, it is Thursday. We will be back here tomorrow morning. There's the conference call tonight with Kathy Weathersby. Guys, get on and get as many people again as you can on. The people don't know this unless we tell them. We started out the Wednesday event, and I'm so sorry I didn't mention the 1 o'clock p.m. Wednesday event at the dispensary, but we had new people, new blood, and we had those young people back again, getting started, bringing their parents, bringing their siblings. So guys, we got something. People want to know about it. And when you hear about the new package, it's going to make it even better, even easier. So I promise you, it's all about pivoting. We've been doing whatever it took for all these 5 years, and everything is coming together. And God has blessed us to be in business, to be thriving in business. Here we are over 5 years, getting ready for our event coming up August 1st through the 4th. And guys, we can come in bringing a bang. People traveling in can have something to talk about on the plane. They might even get partners when they hit the airports, because that's how easy this system is going to allow you to talk to people. So with that being said, guys.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Yes, I can, Margaret.
Hey, good morning, guys. I'm excited that Phyllis is excited. Hey, when your upline and your owners get something, and Mooney said it on the call last night, that the distributors bring to them and they start running with it, I am overwhelmed with joy. And guys, this is so, and like she's saying, it's simple, it's doable, it's easy, it's applicable immediately. I mean, and I'll just share this and let it go. But my family came back around to understanding what I've been talking about for 3 years since we found out about the blood type testing. And people kind of saw it and thought about it and got excited about it. But I think it kind of got pushed to the side, not the blood type either, more like the bitters, when we came into the bioscan. And so, but the low-hanging fruit and the ability just to share with a person about their blood type has really made sense. And it takes a minute for people to start applying it, so that the repetition of it and the broadness of it, with all of us sharing and being able to collaborate with the ideas, is what's going to make it happen. So we're in network marketing. We are distributors, and we are getting ready to do some distributing. So I just want you guys to get on the call tonight. And the system and the information that Melissa has put together in the pack is going to make it so much easier and so thoughtful. So, guys, don't miss out on the call tonight. We're getting ready to really rock and roll. Thank you.
And let me just say, Margaret is a seasoned network marketer. And I tell you what, in this industry, what you need is a system and simplicity. And by God, we got it. So go out and push, be on the call tonight. Tell everybody you know in your business to be on the call. And we'll see you when you get that email from Dr. Roz. It'll let you know the time and the link. Go out and push, guys. See you back here tomorrow morning. Bye now.